This video will demonstrate how to get signed into ClassLink from an iPad. To get started, simply launch the ClassLink app by tapping on it. This is what the login screen should look like. However, if ClassLink has not been logged into before, it may not look like this. What you may see is a list of all the different school districts using ClassLink. To find District 90s, the easiest way is to tap into the search bar and simply type 90. And the only two options are New Hampshire School and, of course, O'Fallon Community District 90. So tap that and you'll get back to this screen. Now, your teacher most likely provided you a quick card, which is a QR type of code that will use the iPad's camera to sign your student in. At this point, you would click the little button that is below the Sign In with Google option. It'll enable the camera. You hold the QR code or the quick card directly in front of the camera. Once it focuses on it, it'll sign your student in automatically. If for some reason you did not get a quick card and you want to sign in using your Google account, you can then sign in with Google by tapping the Sign In with Google button. It'll ask you if you want to use google.com to sign in. You will say continue. And here's where you would enter the credentials for your student. District 90 uses a student account format for Google of the student's first name, a period or a dot, and the student's last name with the domain at of90student.net. So let's use, for example, a student named Joe Student. We'll type in Joe's username, which is joe.student at of90student.net. Hit return. It'll prompt for Joe's password. Now the password for student Google accounts is going to be their Skyward lunch pin, which is a 4-digit number, and it'll be entered twice. So if the lunch pin is 1234, you'll enter 1234, 1234. So we'll put in Joe's lunch pin twice, and that is all that's required to get signed into ClassLink. Once you're here, you're on the ClassLink dashboard and you're ready to go.